I look at systems engineering as a way of thinking. It's a way of looking at a complex set of problems and designing solutions to those problems that survives the next change and the next enhancement and the next request. But as your product ramps up in terms of complexity, you definitely need to pay more attention to the system side of things, the architecture, how the system is going to be decomposed into its component streams, whether that's hardware, electrical, or software, or other. You need to pay attention to the details in that decomposition. It's really an approach to product development.
When you take individual parts and you put them together, you get more than the sum of just the individual parts. You get something else happening. So in a sense, it's a way of understanding feedback. And even the simplest feedback process can lead to all kinds of unpredictable consequences.
The challenges that customers face that cause them to seek out systems engineering, honestly, are generally failures. It's usually the failures or the hurdles or the complexities that you have to face that cause you to say, oh my goodness, I really have to take a different approach at this.
It's managing all of those aspects, and it's actually about simplifying in order to be able to control. If you don't manage building the products properly, you're going to be adding to the whole problem of complexity. You're not able to manage the complexity if you haven't got the right tools.
A systems engineering approach requires an investment. And with any investment, the first scale of that investment, you're not going to see a lot of value. It's only after the second, third, fourth, fifth project or version release that you start to recoup the benefits. And our position on systems engineering is that it's the system and the architecture that drives the downstream work into the engineering discipline, into manufacturing, and into service. So systems engineering is a very strong focal point for us that is going to drive a lot of activity within PTC. You're going to see solutions formed around systems engineering. You're going to see changes to our existing paradigms in terms of product development because of systems engineering, and you're going to see our customers reap a lot of value out of this systems engineering approach.